Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I am doing 2 blackberry recipes. Super excited. Blackberries are definitely in season right now. Today I'm going to do an iced Blackberry Earl Grey tea. I am a huge iced coffee addict, and so anytime I can find a iced caffeinated beverage for the afternoon, throw in some fresh fruit, I am all in. This recipe is so easy, it's delicious, you're gonna love it. Later, I am gonna do a blackberry chicken salad to have with dinner tonight. If I remember, I'll try to link to that recipe up above, but you can go in the search bar and look for the blackberry chicken salad recipe as well. Let's jump in. So I have prepared, I'm all about ease, you guys, ease and grace in the kitchen. I used my coffee pot to make my Earl Grey tea. Of course, there's no coffee in here. I had it cleaned out. And so I had put my tea bags, my Earl Grey tea bags, into the side of the coffee pot, put hot water into the coffee pot to make the tea. And there's also blackberries chilling out in the bottom of this coffee pot. And I have got a nice glass jar that we can mix the rest of this into. And I'm going to slowly pour this over my ice cubes. And I love that I let the blackberries kind of steep in there with my tea bags. Gets that blackberry flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and just dump the rest of that in. There goes some of those blackberries. And now we are going to get a few more blackberries. I'm gonna grab just a little handful. So maybe total we're using like half a cup to a cup of blackberries. Go ahead and put those in. Oh yeah. We are gonna add in some honey. I love to use honey for sweetener. And we're gonna do, I don't know, about 1/4 cup or so. Mix that right in there. I'm gonna grab some creamer. Now you could use regular plain old creamer. You could use some half and half. I'm just using my coffee creamer I have on hand. Mine's cinnamon vanilla flavored. Goes perfectly with blackberry. We're gonna do half a cup. I'm gonna grab a spoon. We're gonna give this a nice gentle mix. This jar is pretty full, so we're gonna mix it slowly. I will link to some of my other drink recipes. I have a tangerine cooler. We have a lemon blueberry mint iced tea. I've done a mint mocha iced coffee. So good. These are fun to make and share with family and friends as well. Okay. I'm gonna use my Life is Better with Goats wine glass because why not? Let's brighten up our afternoon. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lid here because I don't really want, I'm gonna put a couple of blackberries into my glass, but I don't want a lot. Let's see if we can do this quickly here. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess anyways. It's all right. I should have used I have a limeade going on in my fridge and it's using the jar with the pour spout. Made limeade for the kids. If you have a favorite drink jug pitcher that you like to use, drop it below because I definitely need to invest in some more because I'm always making fun drinks during the summer. All right, I'm gonna add just a couple of blackberries. They don't even float, but that's okay. It's the thought that counts. There we have it, guys. We have some blackberry iced Earl Grey tea. So make a nice treat this afternoon. Thank you all so much, and we'll see y'all next time.